Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by confirming prerequisites. You must back up your files and sign in as an administrator so you don't lose settings. Once done, open Settings and go to Windows Update to view your Insider settings and the active channel. Make sure the device is linked to your Microsoft account so you can manage enrollment. If the recovery option is visible, you're ready to proceed. Otherwise, stop and back up again to avoid data loss. Now you manage enrollment. You go to Settings, Windows Update, then Windows Insider Program, and choose Stop Receiving Insider Builds. This tells Microsoft you want to leave. Once chosen, pick whether you want to switch to a stable release target or a release preview to reduce feature churn. This matters because it controls whether you remain on a test build until the next public release. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts. And finally, complete the exit by restarting and installing any pending stable updates so your machine fully leaves Insider builds. Once restarted, Verify Settings shows you're off the Insider program and that updates are normal. If the option remains or you fail to revert, try Settings right arrow recovery to reset or roll back to a previous build, but be aware that rollback can remove recent apps. If problems persist, restore from your backup and contact Microsoft support for activation or update repair. This fixes stubborn enrollment or compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.